Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine juice, only way. Start by sanitizing everything and selecting ripe grapes or quality juice concentrate for best flavor. Press gently to extract juice without crushing seeds, then test sugar and acidity to aim for balance. If needed, adjust with sugar or acid and chill juice before bottling to preserve freshness. This method keeps the flavor bright and the process simple and repeatable. Gather ripe grapes, a clean bowl and a press or strainer, then remove stems and any damaged fruit. Rinse gently and crush fruit lightly to release juice without breaking seeds, which add bitterness. Transfer crushed fruit to your press and apply steady pressure to extract clear juice, leaving skins and pulp behind. Chill the juice quickly to maintain fresh aromatics and prevent unwanted microbial activity before packaging or further processing. Test the juice for sugar and acidity to ensure a balanced finish, using a hydrometer and pH strips if available. Add small amounts of sugar to raise sweetness or dilute with water to lower intensity, and correct acidity with citric or tartaric acid in measured increments. Once balanced, clarify or filter the juice, then bottle in sanitized, airtight containers and refrigerate or pasteurize for storage and safety before serving to friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.